If you believe in Allah, I don't believe Allah is this God. How is your life now? Is your life good? Oh, thank God it's good. Is your life good? Oh, no, it's not good. Stop condemning your neighbor. Go take care of your business. I call Olojumare. You call Allah. He calls Jehovah. They call God. God has many names. At the same time, I would throw my children to the hellfire just to satisfy my ego because I am God. Do you really think that God would create his own children and throw their own children to the hell?
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì àṣà Yorùbá TV, ìkànnì tó ń gbé àṣà Yorùbá lárugẹ. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ láti jẹ̀gbádùn àwọn ètò wa lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan. Ẹ like, ẹ comment, kẹ́ ẹ sì share àwọn ètò wa. Ẹ ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa.
Qual é o meu conselho dos muçulmanos que condenam a tradição? The advice is, first of all, how do you talk in the name of Allah if you condemn the other person? How? I don't believe that Allah condemns. How can God condemn someone if God comprehends all the people on earth? God does not judge. God embraces the humanity. Deus não julga, não condena. Ele acolhe a humanidade. So, I have an advice for you. Stop judging. Stop condemning. Condemn what you should not be doing. Because God has never, ever judged anyone. How can God judge his own children? Do you really think that God would create his own children and throw their own children to the hell fire? What kind of egotic God would be this to condemn his children to the hell fire? What kind of God would be that? If I were God, se fosse Deus, if I were God, why would I create my children, and then at the same time I would throw my children to the hellfire just to satisfy my ego because I am God? Just to please my ego, I'm going to create you. And now I'm going to throw you to the hell to please my ego. What kind of God am I to have ego? Egocentric, egotism, to be egoic. What kind of God would I be? So, Muslim, if you believe in Allah, I don't believe Allah is this God. Allah is love. Allah does not condemn. Allah is love. Allah is union. Allah is the one who created all of us. I call Olojumare. You call Allah. He calls Jehovah. They call God. God has many names. But one thing I know, God does not judge, does not condemn. Stop condemning. Look at your life. Ask yourself, how is your life now? Is your life good? Oh, thank God it's good. Is your life good? Oh, no, it's not good. Stop condemning your neighbor. Go take care of your business. Àṣà.
Àṣà Yorùbá TV, ìkànnì tó ń gbé àṣà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.